A very warm welcome to SmartPort TV. Today's topic is the future of the River Elbe. That's why I'm today in Kreetsand. The pilot project in the eastern part of Wilhelmsburg is about protecting the access to the harbor of Hamburg and, of course, the precious natural habitat around.
The water brings a lot of sediment with it at high and low tide. It gets carried along, and when the water isn't moving as fast, it settles on the riverbed. But we have an asymmetry because the incoming tide brings more sediment with it than is taken away as the tide goes down. Over the last few decades in particular, this phenomena has increased as the nature of the tide has changed. The daily tidal range has risen from 2 meters 50 years ago to 3.6 meters today. So the idea is to reduce the range with damping tools to achieve a lower tidal range and reduce the amount of sediment being transported upstream.
Transportierte Sedimente.
Wir befinden uns am nördlichen Rand des Baufeldes zum Flachwassergebiet Kreetsand.
We're on the edge of the construction of the shallow water area called Kreetsand. What we can see in the background is soil removal, which will give the water more space. The dumpers over there drive the material to the depot or to the area for soil, which will be brought to various dumps and taken out of the material cycle.
Dem Stoffkreislauf quasi entzogen sind. Und die anderen halten hier vorne.
And the mounds over there are soil which we can use in other HPA projects, depending on the sand quality and type.
Das dann gerade ist, wird dann ein passendes Verwertungsprojekt gesucht.
Eine Frage noch zu den Volumina, die hier abgetragen.
And a question about the volume of material being taken away. How much are we talking about? Well, when we started, we were talking about a height of 5 meters 50. And by the time we're finished, the level here will have been reduced to minus 2.5 meters. So that means we're taking away 8 meters of soil, about the height of a normal house. And a total of 2 million cubic meters of soil. In terms of volume, that's 7 times as much as the volume of the inner Alster.
Welche Vorteile entstehen denn für...
How are the flora and fauna here going to benefit?
Es entsteht ja praktisch auf der Binnenseite, also nicht nur auf der Außenseite.
Well, new tidal habitats are being created. New bank zones, where plants and animals can establish themselves.
Und Tiere ansiedeln können. Es entsteht praktisch auch ein neuer
Basically, a whole new tidal environment is being created. And of course, that's great for nature.
Und das ist natürlich für die Natur wunderbar.
The River Elbe is, so to say, the tide that moves us. Thanks for watching us. See you next time. In Hamburg sagt man Tschüss.